cold, Landon?
Well, look at me, boy.
So small voice, huh?
Mhm.
You barely even hear him. Getting cold here, Landon?
Oh, man.
It's alright. You want to get up?
Man, do you want to bury me again? No. Bury me again. Zach, if you bury me, you can't see me?
Already did.
Won't you? To bury my whole
I
back?
don't have a shovel.
Yes, there is in the garage.
How am I going to get it?
Your truck. It's the thing that opens in the garage.
I can't get in the truck. It's frozen shut.
Is it unlocked?
Add them on, guys. Say, Mom, you're missing all this out.
Hi, Mom.